Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 10-ish minutes. Plan on watching CAPR out of the opening gates. Already over 2.5 million shares traded pre-market. So we'll see what happens with it. I'll keep you updated. All right, the markets are open. And, whoops. Want to have an order down here at 655. So I'm in there at 731. We'll look to buy some more. Down here below 7. 685 and 675. So let's see if I can get those 85s. Oh, it went down to 686. I got some at 7. So we got those at 85 too. Am I going to get those at, okay, I got some at 75. So we got some sell orders scattered out there. Average is at 697. So let's see, there's those ones out. So I got them out at 705. Got those ones out. So 482. What I'm going to do is just put a stop loss in. Ah, that's not what I meant. All right, well, this has just been a clown show now. So let's see. Well, I screwed that up. I meant to sell and I bought. Let's see if we can get a break up over 7 again. So out there for 181, and I had to just get out because that was a butchered up trade on my part. Still walked away with a profit there, but well, I need to stop talking. Let's see, what is that high up there? 735 is definitely that key. All right, well, this one looks like it might want to pull back, so let's go to 651. So that was quite the train wreck, to put it politely. Wasn't really a train wreck, it was just one. I just screwed up the stop loss, that's all. I meant to click, I should have clicked sell, but I clicked buy. So I bought more, and then that's what threw things off. So it wasn't, I'm being a little dramatic. And yes, the thing I've learned with these videos is sometimes, as much as I try to keep it like as serious as possible, sometimes you want to add in a little dramatic flair. So yeah, it was a screw up, but was it a train wreck? No. That'd be a bold place. A train wreck and making $181 is, like I said, way too dramatic on my part. And I'm trying to stall right now to see if we can capture a breakdown here to this area at 651. So all right, I will pause it for the time being. Well, totally missed that move. It was pulling back, and now all of a sudden, just a big old move out of nowhere. All right, I think this thing wants to at least give a good attempt to get over 8. So let's go to 799. There we go. So picked up a quick amount there. Might get over 8, but like I said, I had a feeling it'd at least test 8, so therefore I cut it off there. So now up at 261. But let's see. 735 pullback, represented by that green line. So let's see if we can get a pullback, or is it going to leave me in its dust as it goes up over 8? And leaving me in its dust. So I'm going to camp out down here. Don't want to chase at this point. But if it does want to pull back, I'd be interested. Or who knows? Maybe this will be an example where it just floats away, floats away, floats away. But like I said, you can't build a bad habit of chasing. But either way, let's see. It is 9:38, so 8 minutes into the day, up 261. I'm not sure too many other places in the world where you can make $260 in less than 10 minutes. So trying to keep things in perspective here. All right, I will pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 775 for 500 shares. How low did that actually go? Went down as low as 784, so close. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to 755 now. So 755. And 735, so a couple orders out there. First one though at 755, right there. So let's see if this thing wants to pull back a bit more. I will keep you updated. All right, have an order at 725. Went down as low as 732. Well, at this point, going to 701. So 701, entry point now. We'll see if this pullback can get a little bit deeper. Oh, wow. All right. Well, there's no chance at all I had capturing that on video. That happened so fast. So got in at 685, sold at 695 for a quick $50 score. Next order in at 675. And there's just no way I was gonna. I mean, that move happened in the blink of an eye. $665 based on that green line right there. It was doing this sort of action where it's just not much, and then all of a sudden it just plunged, and like I said, in a split second. But let's see if we can capture another kind of one of those exact type moves. So right now it's kind of just hovering right around here, and let's see if we can just get a quick jolt to the downside. All right, well, now it's working its way back above 7. Regardless, though, not even 30 minutes in the day, up over $300, so I'm very pleased with that. But I'll do my best, but at least I have it documented. 665, next first entry point. Let's see what happens. All right, making a move. Okay, I'm in for my first 500. And I'm out. So next order's at 6. Let's see. 630. So 630 next entry point. First entry point. I'd like a few more than 500, but 500 at least gets my feet wet. So there are another quick $50 now at 360. And again, still not even 30 minutes in the day. So I'm happy with that. But yeah, let's see if this pullback can continue some more. All right. Well, yep, there's that 650. So getting pretty eventful again. So I'll just let it roll. So again, entry point at 630. No, it's back into the 660s, but volatility. That's what I like to see. So I'll let it roll. Just at least try to capture the break of 650 if it happens. trying to work its way down there, but all right, I'm going to go ahead and pause now that we're at 10 minutes. Try to be a little bit more picky with time selection. All right, making its way down to 650. And there's the break. Although that was a very anticlimactic break. What did it go? It went down to like 2 cents? Oh, 3 cents, 647. All right. Well, I was definitely looking for more of an intense breakdown than that. So never mind. Well, I have a bunch of other stuff I want to get done today, and can I be honest? I don't really I feel like moving on with my day, and that's a nice thing about working from home, being your own boss. You can kind of dictate those hours, and yeah, $360 for 30 minutes. I'm more than happy with that, and that's for some nice little additional part-time income. Very pleased with it. So I'm going to wrap things up. If it does pull back some more while I'm talking, I could see myself throwing out an order at 625, but as of right now, looking like that's not going to happen. But before I go, final few things here. First off, if you enjoy these videos and you want me to keep making them, then just click the like button, subscribe to the channel. That's a very easy way to communicate that to me. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I do offer a private community that's got a live chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter with setups and such, so you can go to claytrader.com/team. And, that is very fairly priced. The question for that really becomes, do I believe this service can help me make $8.25 per week? Not per day, just per week. If you think that the service can help you make more than $8.25 per week, then you will at least break even. And if you think it can help you make more than $8.25 per week, then you will go well into the green, and it'll be a very profitable investment for you. And also, if you're interested in more so learn about how to trade with charts and build strategies using technical charts, which is what you saw here, then again, claytrader.com, the trading freedom pathway is my all-inclusive educational package that'll teach you from points A all the way to point Z. But if nothing else, like I said, if you just enjoy these videos and want me to keep making them, all you got to do is click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for hanging out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.